Hey boys and girls, we're back in the studio today talking about primary colors and secondary colors. Our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And when you take two of them and mix them together, you get a secondary color. The one we're talking about today is green. So we're going to be mixing yellow and blue together. When you mix those two together, you get green, or the color that's in the middle. One primary color plus another primary color equals a secondary color. Okay, so this is how we sing our song. We take our two primary colors, in this case the yellow and the blue, and we mix it together to get green. With this one, it goes to the tune of London Bridge. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Blue and yellow, that makes green, that makes green, that makes green. Blue and yellow, that makes green. Mix it just like grass. I went a little fast on that one. It seems like I zip through the first one all the time. Let's go a little slower. Remember, tune London Bridge. Blue and yellow, that makes green, that makes green, that makes green. Blue and yellow, that makes green. Mix it just like grass. There we go, boys and girls. There you have it, how to make green. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.